welcome to Luxe DIY. My name is Josie, and in today's video we're going to be showing you how to make these sparkly snowflake style earrings. They're made with jewelry spacers and they're very easy to make. So if you enjoyed today's video, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more featured DIY videos. Let's get started. For my materials, I have some E6000 glue with a thin jewelry nozzle. I also have some rose gold colored jewelry spacers and some small silver beads. And then I have some flat back Swarovski crystals. I'm going to begin by using this paper plate as my flat surface to lay out some of these jewelry spacers kind of in like a snowflake shape, and then I'm going to glue several on top of them just to hold it all together. Now we're going to take our small silver beads and place them in the crevices of our snowflake, and this will contrast nicely with the rose gold and bring it out a little bit. For the last part of the embellishing process, we'll just finish it off with a Swarovski crystal in the center. So I actually have smaller rose gold colored jump rings, but unfortunately they're not going to fit very well in the earrings. So I'm going to be using these larger silver jump rings, and I do have a little bit of silver in my earrings anyway, so it sort of kind of matches. So I'm actually not that happy with the way it lays out, and I'm going to go ahead and reattach it. And what I'm going to do this time around is I'm going to really pay attention to what matches up and what looks parallel to one another. So now that I'm happy with the way my earrings are laying out, I'm going to go ahead and finish my earrings by using a jump ring to attach the earring hooks. So if you notice, the earring hook is actually facing towards the side instead of to the back, so I'm going to have to add another jump ring just to make it lay out right.